So we were invited by Milk and Honey Heritage Farms to let you know what we like to drink during the holidays. We're gonna go inside and show you a few items. Ron even upped the game and said, what does Christmas taste like? Let's go find out, come on. Searching for a Christmas drink? We're gonna pop in and try a couple Christmas cocktails and see if those are possibly what Christmas would taste like.
So that's the peppermint slide?
Peppermint slide. That could be Christmas. I mean, the peppermint, you can really taste the peppermint. Wow.
So let's see if this is going to be some Christmas here. So the rum chata, creamy, little root beer in there. It's not quite there yet. It's good, not Christmas.
Cheers, Ron and Jodi from Just Rambling Around. It's Rachel and Wills from Postcards and a Pint, and at this time of the year, we love a nice hot mulled wine or glühwein in front of our Christmas tree.
Or from a lovely Christmas market in a lovely Christmas market mug.
We'd like to wish you all a very, very happy Christmas, and as we say in Postcards and a Pint,
cheers to the good times.
Let's go find out if we can have a beer that tastes like Christmas. Let's go on inside. All right. Hail Santa, hail Santa, Christmas beer, ho ho ho. I can smell the spice before I even taste it. That's very good.
It may not be Christmas, but it's heaven to me.
We just came out, we just had the Hail Santa. It almost tastes like Christmas. It had a spice to it, it had a nice heavy body to it, but it just was not the ticket. So we're gonna go elsewhere.
But real quick, I didn't find Christmas in there, but I found Oktoberfest in there. They had a great Hefeweizen. That was good.
Well, come on, Fraulein, let's get up.
Well, g'day all, I'm Joseph and
my name is Peter.
And we're from Cowboy JoJo's Adventures. And I'd like to say hello to Ron and Jodi all the way from...
Where are they from?
Where are we from?
Oh, we're from Melbourne, Australia.
And we'd like to wish you a very Merry Christmas to all those watching Jodi and supporting them, and Ron and supporting them through their videos throughout the year. So, what do we drink when we celebrate?
And when we're not celebrating?
The good old gin?
It's the Bombay Blue, but there are better versions, but that's our go-to.
And tonic. And of course, we either use lime or lemons, or we want to spice it up, you can use cinnamon sticks or orange.
This is JoJo doing it. Normally Peter would be doing it, but you know, Joe wants to look good.
Anyway, so here we go. Some good old-fashioned tonic water.
You'd normally have a bit of an aromatic tonic. There are some nice tonics around, but again, the Schweppes tonic water, a bit of a staple.
You can't go past traditional. Anyway,
you actually can.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Have a wonderful, happy holidays, Jodi and Ron.
Yeah. Hey, and try lots of tonics and different gins because there are plenty around.
Cheers.
I may have found it. This is called Santa's Sauce, and it's made by Portland Cider Company.
What Christmas tastes like. Is that Christmas right there?
There's like cinnamon, gosh, maybe apples or something. This might have done it, and I wouldn't guess that I was gonna say a cider was gonna do it, but this is pretty good.
Yeah.
Santa sauce.
This is Left Hand Brewery's Candy Cane Nitro. Candy Cane Nitro. Oh.
Is that Christmas?
Yeah, I think so. Really smooth and mellow. Left hand.
Thick.
Candy cane nitro.
I can taste the candy cane, I can taste the peppermint, I can taste the chocolate.
Yeah.
Wow, this could be Christmas.
Yeah, I think it's Christmas.
Ho ho ho! What are you thinking about?
You know, Jodi, right now I'm thinking about what what are Pam and Ken doing right now? What are they drinking?
The RoadSmiths?
Yeah. Well, Pam and Ken RoadSmith. What are they drinking right now?
What do they think winter drink is? Christmas? What
I
is
wonder
Christmas
what it
taste
is.
Hi everybody, we're the RoadSmiths and I'm Pam.
And I'm Ken.
And first we want to thank Ron and Jodi for inviting us to join them in their holiday drink video. Generally when you think of holiday drinks, you probably think about drinks with bourbon or with brandy, probably eggnog, different types of wine. But right now Ken and I are in Southwest Florida, and for us the thing that comes to mind are margaritas. So we want to show you a twist on the classic margarita that we've come up with, and it's called the Bonita Bite.
So as Pam mentioned, we call it the Bonita Bite, and it's really for two reasons. One is we happen to be in Bonita Springs, Florida. And then two is we use a hot pepper to kind of finish this. Now, we're using a jalapeno today. You can use a habanero if you really want to take a risk and like it really hot, or even a serrano, and that's kind of a mid-range. So we're going to use a jalapeno for this one, but obviously depending on how hot you like it. So we're going to start with putting some ice in the shaker. Now we're going to start, this is for 2 servings, so we're going to start with 4 shots of tequila. Maybe we'll do a little more tequila in there. We'll see how that goes. And we're going to do the squeeze of 2 whole limes. Now I'll squeeze these here in a second and put it in there. Now you can use agave nectar. I actually made some simple syrup here, just to add a turbinado sugar, equal parts water and sugar. We did that. So we're going to do that and add it, and then we've got some cranberry juice. So people like cranberry juice, and again, that just gives it a little bit different flavor, and we've got some orange twist. So let's get this all mixed up and let's get it served. All right, now we've got it all mixed up. Let's go get some glasses that we have sitting in the freezer. Make them nice and cold, and I put a little salt on the rim of the glass, and sometimes I'll actually throw a little bit of salt in here as well to kind of give it a little bit more. So we're going to throw another slice of jalapeno in there. We're going to garnish it with a little bit of an orange peel, and let's see what we got. And that right there is the Bonita Bite.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Ron and Jodi, thank you guys. Appreciate it. And happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
It's good stuff.
Oh, yum.
I think it's a win. So we got the left hand candy cane drink, and then we had the Santa sauce, which was a cider. That was really good.
Both good.
So I think those are fulfilling, yeah.
Pretty good
because
holiday drinks.
Yeah, so you got the peppermint, you got the cinnamon with the other one, and yeah. And this is in the bag. I think we found it.
Search is over? Wait, is it over?
Hello, just rambling around, and
Hi.
everyone else that is watching. I'm Mike.
Hi, Chelsea.
And we are from the Vigar Feeling channel. And we would like to tell you what we drink over the holidays season, which you would think that during Christmas coming up, it would be a nice warm mulled wine or a warm spiced cider. But for us, we like to drink one of these.
We are British and proud. We also have a lot of them.
So this is a tea bag. We mix it with a bit of milk, and it starts with 1 and ends up with 1,040.
So if you don't know, we're travelling around in a motorhome, so we have to stock up a lot.
Yeah, so Great British tea, Yorkshire tea. If you're going to try it, go for that one. Also, imagine being cozied up by the fire. You can put your alcohol aside, because the Cadbury's hot chocolate with marshmallows with heated milk is beautiful.
It is the best.
Yes, and you can also get your 450 gram value pack. Yeah, no, it's a brilliant buy, and it's really nice, and it's our coping mechanism being on the road, having the tea and the hot chocolate.
Yeah. So we are definitely British and proud with our Yorkshire tea.
Yeah.
We came back to the house now to share with you and see if we can still find what we consider our Christmas drink. What does Christmas taste like? We did grab the snow globe cider, and it has glitter in it. Ooh, wow. Wow. So I wonder if there's like cranberry in here. There's some kind of berry.
Yeah, that tastes a lot like Christmas, yes.
I can't believe that the first thing we bought that we brought home at the end of the night actually might be the ticket. So this is One Tree cider out of Spokane, Washington, and it has glitter in it. So it's called the Snow Globe. And wow, not only are we drinking glitter, but this is really good. This might be Christmas. This might taste like Christmas. Wow.
All right, we win.
Hey guys, I'm Deb and this is Joel, and we are chasing our sunshine, and we are going to share with you the best holiday drink that you can possibly make. If anybody ever tells you that you're going to be making an old-fashioned and they're not from Wisconsin, don't even listen to them, as they don't even have a clue of what they're doing.
No, they'll try to make it with something else, but you definitely need to make it with brandy. Deb likes cherries. I like olives. And there you have a Wisconsin brandy old-fashioned sweet.
We hope this drink brings you some holiday cheer, and always drink Wisconsinably.
So now is the true test. I always have in my head that hot buttered rum is supposed to be the Christmas drink. So we'll see. I don't know. Hot buttered rum does kind of make me think Christmas. Man, this is tough. This is this is really good.
So, we actually got 3 drinks. We got a cocktail, a cider, and a beer. So I think we covered
cocktails, ciders, beers, and hot buttered rum. We've covered everything.
Well, the hot buttered rum is a cocktail.
Make sure to take the time to put down Did you want some? Make sure to take the time to put in the comments what your holiday drink preference is. What do you like? Do you like a hot buttered rum? Eggnog? We almost grabbed eggnog tonight. Hot buttered rum, certain beers, certain ciders. What is your drink? What is your cocktail? What is your drink?
You like a PBR and apple cider, or a PBR and cinnamon, or a Rainier and cinnamon?
I don't know. But what is your drink choice for the holidays? What do you like to have? And it can be non-alcoholic too. So hot buttered rum, what you thinking?
Yep, that's a winner. So the cocktail of choice, hot buttered rum. The beer was probably the Candy Cane Nitro from Left Hand Brewery, and then we're looking at the cider was the One Tree.
And the Portland cider one was good too.
Yeah, so that's three different Christmas drinks that you could choose from: cocktail, beer, and cider.
All right. So what should anybody do out there if they enjoyed this?
Something. Yeah, if you enjoyed it, just hit like, subscribe, and then just.
I gave you that cup. You like your cup?
Yeah, I'm just looking at that. If you think I should watch more Hallmark movies, hit like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below which Hallmark movie I should be watching next.